back. Hey guys. So I'm over here, I'm putting some trash away, and there's like 6 red robins in my backyard. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then there's a 7th, an 8th, and 9th one down there. I have 9 red robins in my backyard. They must think it's some pool party because it's raining out here. But when there's ice, they're going to get frozen and probably die. Man, now I feel sad about them. I don't want them to get frozen and die. They must be scared or something. Because it's going down tonight. Alright, well, see you guys later. Like, subscribe, and keep watching videos.